How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add filament presets in Bambu Studio. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to a project, and from here to now add your own filament preset. You want to click on this gear icon right beside the project filaments category. Inside this page, just wait for it to finish loading, and inside this page, click on the custom filaments option. Click create new, and then basically from here you can customize your filament preset the way you want to. So for example, we have something like Realty. Let's choose something like ABS. You can then put your serial right here. So it's going to be really simple. In my case, I'm going to put something like matte black. And then for the filament preset, you could just select it right here. Select your printer, click on create. And then there will be another page. You could just basically do the same thing. And then your filament preset will then be prompted right here. We have the filament created. Let's navigate through our custom right here. And then we have the Creality PLA preset that we just made. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.